This is my Rapoo mouse. Recently it has started to act strangely. The cursor freezes and only responds to movement randomly. So it's clearly getting power, and the wireless connection also works. Let's open it up and see what's wrong. The battery isn't dead. If the battery runs out, the mouse stops working completely. I already tried a new battery earlier, but that didn't help. I fixed the Logitech mouse before by reheating the solder joints. When a mouse gets banged on the desk, the solder joints can crack. But in this case, I think the problem is something else, since the mouse still kind of works. I've also noticed lately that this mouse doesn't work properly on a plain even surface. It needs to be on something with a bit of pattern or texture. I was actually about to throw this away, but I decided to try repairing it first. Let's give it a good cleaning. If there's dust in the wrong place, it might interfere the LED and the optical sensor. On the circuit board, there's this black block with a hole in it. That's probably the part with the reflected light sensor. The hole is very small, but let's try cleaning it with compressed air. There might be some dust or debris inside that we can blow away. Now let's put everything back together. If this doesn't fix it, I'll just recycle it and buy a new one. Actually, I already put it in the recycling bin once, but being a bit stingy, I took it back. Cleaning dust is an easy job if you have some compressed air or a spray gun. Surprisingly, the mouse works. That was an easy fix. It didn't save a lot of money, but it's good for the environment. And I don't have to go somewhere and buy a new one. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.